Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. I haven't made a video in a couple days, and that's because we've been kind of retooling things here for the release of our auto trader. And basically, today is going to be a very interesting day in going over our results because we have two types of results today. We have results taken by myself in the trading room and results taken by the auto trader. The auto trader has not yet been released. It's going to be released today, I should say, is February 26, 2014. The auto trader will be out next week. So we just have it in the trading room. So let's just go over each market one at a time. And we're going to have to look, and we're going to look at both my discretionary trading and the auto trader trading. Now here is the first auto trader trade, initiated right here on a three-line break of the 50. Clean break of the 50 to the downside. Modified 15 is down. The auto trader took a 7-tick win. The auto trader took a second trade, and this is a three-line break of the 15. 50's up, 15's up, and it took a 16-tick win. I finally got on board with the C candle. It was a little bit tight to the pivot, but it was a 22-tick win. I should have, this was kind of a gimme trade, really, gone back in. This would have been a really, really nice trade to the downside. And it would have been a 46-tick move to the downside. Was too busy typing up and getting that 22 in, and the market came down, pulled back, gave a really, really beautiful additional C candle, and I missed the trade. So I had a 22 ticker, auto trader, 2 wins, and that was it for crude. That was it for gold. Now let's look at the Russell. Now I had an 8-tick win here. Now the slope of the modified 15 was green. This is a clean break of the 50 on a 3-line signal. It's surrounded in blue. Order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with you to the upside, and it went for 8. I chased this trade a little bit right here. This is only loss. The auto trader did not take it. Now this was the auto trader's only loss. We both took our losses back to back. This was a really perfect 3-line break of the 50. You can see that 15 is green, modified 15 is green, 50 is green, candles outlined in blue, came back and stopped the trade out. And that cost the auto trader its only loss. And auto trader had 6 wins. And I already showed you a couple of them on crude. You're going to see them, I'm sorry, on gold. You're going to see them now on the Russell. So this is my only loss here. We're going to chase this move to the upside, and it just did not materialize, and it stopped me out. Then I went short to here, and again, I had a really beautiful re-entry that I just did not take. And that's the thing that I really have to concentrate on in my trading, is that to stop typing out my win and look for a re-entry, because that's a 31-tick winner. Usually, when it comes back and retraces and takes out your trade, oftentimes it retraces right back into the modified 15, and you see when it on an 8-tick wick, on an 8-tick candle body, on an 8-range chart that's got order flow and momentum with you, and that's why it's surrounded in pink. That's a tremendous amount of selling confirmation, and that's where this trade should have been taken. So that was a 40 ticker on gold and a 30 ticker here that should have easily been able to add. Now this was a loss taken on the Russell at 10 o'clock, and there was news at 10. We didn't turn it off, but normally at any kind of news, we're going to turn the auto trader off. Since we're just beta testing it, we don't care if it takes a loss at on the news. And here was the next auto trader trade right here. It took a momentum entry retracement, and it went for 41 ticks on the auto trader. Actually stopped out on a pullback, and it got 31 ticks on the runner. And that was the Russell. And on crude oil, again, break of the 50. Both the auto trader and myself were in this trade. We both took it. 15 and 50 are up. Went for 9 ticks. Now this was 10:30. This is news, and that's why it looks like a great move and one that was easily grabbable. But there was a major 10:30 report out in the crude market and just pushed the market up. We stood aside on that. And you can see it's making all these candles. It's a 10:30 trade now, and the auto trader took a loss also on the news. Normally we would have had the auto trader turned off. Then the auto trader took a win right here. 3-line break, 50's up, 15's up, went 17 ticks. Now it just so happens after we closed up, the auto trader took another quick win, another 7th win. But this is our complicated session for the day. Let's see if I can get it so you can see it. The auto trader took 4 trades on the Russell for 16 ticks, 41 ticks, and it took the 1 loss for 11. On gold, it took a +7 and a +17. On crude, it took a +9 and a +26. The net equity for the auto trader today was $910. And the last 7 trading sessions, which are the only trading sessions that we are beta testing it live, we've tested it on a year of market replay data, and we're now gone live with it. It's made $2,400. In the trading room, we had 4 trades, Russell +16 and +8, plus the 1 loss I showed you. We had gold for +22, and we had crude for +9. Net ticks were 45. Profit on 3 was 330. On 5 was 480. You add these two together, you had a $1,300 day, or you had a $1,200 day. So the auto trader is available for lease. You can call me at 1-855-765-6681. Go to info@rightlinetrading.com and email us. Or you can go to the web page. Obviously, you're always welcome to come into the room for a preview for a session in our live trading room. And actually, we welcome that because you can see how well the system does. And give us a call if you're interested in any of this. I think we have the best system in town, and we're consistently racking up the profits. I hope everybody has a really, really great